Let's get started. Round 1. 6 single crochet in a magic ring. Round 2. 6 increase, total of 12 single crochet. Round 3 in the back loops only. 1 single crochet in each stitch, total of 12 single crochet. Round 4, 2 single crochet, 4 decrease, 2 single crochet, total of 8 single crochet. Round 5 to round 10, 1 single crochet in each stitch, total of 8 single crochet. In the second leg, attach yellow color yarn, make 1 single crochet, round 11 on first leg, chain 1 and attach the second leg, 8 single crochet on one leg, 1 single crochet on chain 1 space, 8 single crochet on second leg, 1 single crochet on chain 1 space. Round 12 to round 13, 1 single crochet in each stitch, total of 18 single crochet. Change to black yarn. Round 14, 1 single crochet in each stitch, total of 18 single crochet. Round 15, 3 single crochet, 1 decrease, 7 single crochet, 1 decrease, 4 single crochet, total of 16 single crochet. Round 16, 1 single crochet in each stitch, total of 16 single crochet. Round 17, 6 single crochet, 1 decrease. Repeat 2 times, total of 14 single crochet. Round 18, 5 single crochet, 1 decrease. Repeat 2 times, total of 12 single crochet. Round 19, 1 single crochet in each stitch, total of 12 single crochet. Round 20, 2 single crochet in each stitch, total of 24 single crochet. Round 21, 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Repeat 12 times, total of 36 single crochet. Round 22, 5 single crochet, 1 increase. Repeat 6 times, total of 42 single crochet. Round 23 to round 30, 1 single crochet in each stitch, total of 42 single crochet. Round 31, 5 single crochet, 1 decrease. Repeat 6 times, total of 36 single crochet. Round 32, 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, 2 single crochet. Repeat 6 times, total of 30 single crochet. Round 33, 3 single crochet, 1 decrease. Repeat 6 times, total of 24 single crochet. Round 34, 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet. Repeat 6 times, total of 18 single crochet. Round 35, 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. Repeat 6 times, total of 12 single crochet. Round 36, 6 decrease, total of 6 single crochet. Arms. Round 1, in a magic ring, make 6 single crochet. Round 2 to round 8, 1 single crochet in each stitch, total of 6 single crochet. Cut long tail to sew. Watch Part 2.